quiz world religions and belief systems. Your answer choices are 1. Judaism, 2. Monotheistic, 3. Hinduism, 4. Polytheistic, 5. Buddhism, 6. Atheist. Match to the correct definition. A. The belief in one God. B. This religion is monotheistic and it follows the Ten Commandments and the Old Testament. The founders are Abraham and Moses. 3. The belief that there is no God. D. This religion is neither monotheistic or polytheistic. E. The belief in many gods. F. This religion is polytheistic and they believe in reincarnation and karma. Question number 7. What is the holy text of Judaism called? A. Torah, B. Bible, C. Quran, D. Sutras. Question number 8. This religion celebrates Christmas, Easter, and the Holy Communion. Your answer choices are A. Judaism, B. Buddhism, C. Christianity, D. Islam. Question number 9. What is the rebirth of a soul in a new body? Answer choices are A. Karma, B. Reincarnation, C. Agnostics, D. Dharma. Question number 10. This religion is monotheistic and its God is Allah. The founder is Muhammad. Your answer choices are A. Buddhism, B. Islam, C. Judaism, and D. Christianity. Review your choices one more time before flipping the page. World Religions Quiz Writing Prompts. Select a writing prompt from above and write half a page essay on your selected choice. This is part of your grade. Your 3 prompts are: write about something that you studied about on Quizlet but was not on the quiz. Choice 2. Write about why freedom of religion is important to many people. Choice 3. Write about how life would be living in a country without freedom of religion. Remember to write at least half a page because it is part of your grade. Before submitting your quiz to your teacher, please make sure your name is on it. Good luck.